In this video, I'll walk you through how to download Magimir. First, go to the official website and click on the download page at the top. You'll see two options, Mac and Windows. Just choose the version that matches your computer. The download will automatically adapt to your system, so both older and newer devices are supported. As long as you have more than 6 GB of RAM. Click Download, and you'll be asked to register an account. If you already have one, just log in. If not, enter an email address that you can access. After that, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code in your inbox. Enter the code, agree to the terms, and your account is ready. Just a heads up, this step is optional. If you choose to link your card, you'll get a 7-day unlimited export trial. It supports Google Pay, Apple Pay, and bank cards. If you don't want to link a card, you can simply close the window, click Yes, and continue downloading the software. Just note, if you skip this step, you won't get the 7-day unlimited export trial. If you still want a trial code, you can search for the official Magimir account on Facebook, or message us via Gmail or Instagram to request one. Once the software is installed, log in using the same email you registered with. You'll receive another verification code. Enter it. At this stage, you can also set your own password. You won't need a code every time. You can log in directly with your password. After logging in, you'll enter the main dashboard. If you want to check pricing, click the Buy button in the top right corner to view and purchase plans. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually use the software.